Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I'm going to share with you this makeup look you can see on my face right now. So this makeup look I have achieved using some of the new products that I have bought recently, and also I've shared with you in my recent haul video. I have used Blue Heaven foundation. I am showing you the products as well. So I have used this foundation. You can see this is the Blue Heaven high coverage foundation in the shade cream beige, and this foundation, as you can see, it's a very good foundation, but it gives sheer to medium coverage. It doesn't gives very high coverage. So if you are thinking to buy anything for bridal makeup or party makeup, then this is not the foundation for you. It gives a very natural sort of look and gives a very matte finish. So if you have a very oily skin, you can definitely use this foundation. And I have also used this blender that came free with this foundation. You can see I've used it today only in this tutorial. So this blender is very soft and it is of good quality, and it also blends really well. The next new product that I've used in this tutorial is the matte compact from Blue Heaven. This is Blue Heaven matte effect compact, and I'm in the shade natural. This is also a very good mattifying compact, gives a good sheer coverage as well. So it is a very good compact, and I also recommend this to you all. So this is the second product, and the main product that I've used to achieve my eye makeup look is a very beautiful product I want to show you. That is this one. So you can see this is the Blue Heaven sapphire eyeshadow, and I'm in the shade 01 golden limelight. So this one I have applied on my eyelids, you can see. So this makeup look is a very easy makeup look. It is very less time consuming, and I've only used 2 shades on my eyelids to achieve this eye makeup. I have used a pink color eyeshadow, you can see, and on my lids I have applied this eyeshadow. It is a very beautiful golden glittery liquid eyeshadow. It sets to dry finish, you can see. It dries down totally, and it is totally smudge proof, and it gives such beautiful gorgeous eye look and glamorous eye look. If you are going for any parties, definitely you can take this eyeshadow. It is very affordable. And the fourth product that I've used in this tutorial is this one. This is SQ, that is Stay Quirky Brow Your Attractive Retractable Brow Pencil. This is the pencil, you can see. So there is the eyebrow pencil on this side, you can see. This is the shade. So actually it claims like this is a brown pencil, but this is not a brown pencil. It is a gray shade. I'll swatch, I'll show you over here. So you can see this is the shade. So this shade is not actually, it is not very dark, and if you are having very light eyebrows, then this product will not fill your eyebrows properly, you can see. So I'm not so much happy with this eyebrow pencil. The good thing is the packaging price is also not very high. It is for only rupees 199, but this product is always available on purple.com on a very good discount. So I also got this for rupees 149. There was a sale going on in the last week, so at that time I bought this. And this pulley is also very handy. You can use to comb your eyebrows and set your eyebrows and distribute the product. So before proceeding, if you like such type of videos, makeup tutorials, DIYs, new product reviews, then definitely please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell next to it, so that you'll be notified whenever I upload my videos. And also, if you liked it, and then please give it a big thumbs up and share with your friends. So without wasting any time, let's get started with the makeup tutorial. I have already moisturized my face and I have prepared my face for makeup. So right now I'm going to apply a primer. So I'll be using this primer. This is Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer, and this one I'm going to apply in my T-zone, and I'll be blending it well. Applying a primer is a must. If you want a good smooth flawless base, then definitely go for a good primer. If you want to know the shade of my nail color, you can see this is such a beautiful shade. So I have applied this shade. This is an NY Bay nail lacquer in the shade 16, this one, and it is a very beautiful shade. I just liked it so much. It is a grayish silver glitter shade. It's such a beautiful shade. This is my new purchase. I'll be trying this foundation today for the first time in front of you. I have not tried this foundation before, so this video is going to be like a first impressions on some of the products that I bought recently, and also it will be a mini review. So this video might be a bit long. So I'm going to use this blender which came with this foundation. So with this foundation there is a good pump that came with this, so it is very convenient and also it is very hygienic to use. So let's see whether this is my shade or not. So this shade is actually very orangey, and let's see whether it how it is going to look on my face. And it also has a smell, sweet smell. It is not that much overpowering. I like the smell. And also don't forget to apply the foundation on your neck. This blender is kind of good, it is blending really well. So I feel like this blender is absorbing so much of product, and also very less product is getting applied on my face. And also it is not giving that much good coverage, and I'm getting very sheer coverage, sheer to medium, I can tell, sheer to medium coverage. So it is okay for daily use if you want some foundation for, and it also gives a very good matte finish. You can see it is not at all oily on my face. So this is very a good foundation for only daily use. This is not for any parties or anything. So I will not recommend this foundation for party wear because it doesn't gives good coverage. Now I'm going to take this concealer. This is Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Sand, and I'm going to apply this around my eyes. I have dark circle, that's why I'm using this concealer, and this is such a good concealer and it dries immediately. So I'll be applying and I'll be blending immediately. So next I'm going to apply this compact. This is Blue Heaven Matte Effect Compact Powder with Sunscreen, and I am in the shade Natural. So everything is good about this compact, only the problem is the shades. There are not much shades, only 2 shades are available, and there is a good quality mirror actually over here. You can use it to apply, but the packaging is very flimsy. You can see. So this is, the pan is coming out from this packaging. It is not glued well. So I'm going to apply this compact on my face, and it also gives a very good matte finish. You can see it is also giving me some coverage, and the smell is very mild, very good. I just liked it. You can see this side and this side, they just seen over here, and here you can see it has totally mattified. It is such a good compact. So if you want, you can also take this compact because it is very affordable, it is easily available, and also it is such a good mattifying product. So if you have a super oily skin, you can go for this compact. So now the next I'll be doing is filling my eyebrows. So for filling my eyebrows, I'll be using this new product. You can see this is Stay Quirky Brow Your Attractive pencil with spoolie. So this is the brown pencil, and this is my recent purchase, and it is a new product. This is launched recently, so I thought of buying this, and I'll be trying this today in front of you. So you can see it is giving me a very natural look. It is not at all heavy, and the shade is actually a little bit lighter. I like deep brown shade to fill my eyebrows. So now I'll be combing my eyebrow with this spoolie that came with this. You can see guys, my eyebrows are looking like this right now. So I have to apply multiple times to get such pigmentation on my eyebrows. So I'm not that much happy with this product, truly speaking. I think there are 2 sets available. There is also a black set available, so that might be a little bit better than this set. So now I'll be moving to my face. I'll be doing my contouring, and I'll be applying blush and highlighter. So for contouring, I'm going to use this shade over here from this eyeshadow palette. This one also I have reviewed on my channel. This is a very good palette. This is SFR Color Beauty Killer eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to take this shade. So if you are having any eyeshadow with this type of shade, then you can use those shades to contour your face. You need not buy any separate contouring palette. And I'll be contouring my nose with this shade. Now I'm going to apply blush and highlighters. I'll be using this one, this palette. This is Swiss Beauty highlighter palette, and in the shade 03. And also this one also I have reviewed on my channel. So if you want to buy, you can also go ahead and buy this palette. It's a good palette. I'll be applying a little bit on my tip of my nose and on my chin. So now I'm going to apply the same highlighter that is given in this palette, this highlighter, this golden highlighter, and I'll be applying in the highest points of my face, and it is a little bit powdery, you can see. This is Wet n Wild Photo Focus setting spray, and this is the matte variant. It gives matte finish. Shake it well and I will spray. So I'll be going for this pink shade from this palette, and this one this is actually a it has little bit satin finish, but when you apply on your eyelids you'll be getting a very good transition shade, so that's why I'm taking this shade only. I'll also be blending this shade on my lower lash line with the same brush. So it's going to be a very easy makeup look. So simply I'm going to take this shade, and on top of that I'll be using my new purchase. This is the Blue Heaven Sapphire liquid eyeshadow, this one. So I'll be doing a cut crease with this eyeshadow only. Guys, you can see the pigmentation it has given, and it is such a pretty shade. I just love it so much. So now again I'm going to blend the edges with that same pink shade. This is the Maybelline Colossal eyeliner, and I'll be applying this on my eyes. So next I'll be applying this blue kajal, and this is from Blue Heaven in my lower lash line. So I'll be smudging that little bit with this pink shade. So friends, I've applied my false eyelashes. Now I'll be applying this mascara. This is Essence Mascara, Lash Princess Mascara, and I'll be applying this on my upper lash line and lower lash line. Blending the natural and false eyelashes is very important. It will give a very good look. And this mascara is also very good mascara, and I highly recommend to you all. This is Swiss Beauty Matte and Metallic Lip Gloss. So I'll be choosing a shade. So I'll be taking a shade from this set, and I think I'll be going for this shade. This is a very good nudish pink sort of shade, and I love this shade so much. You can see. So I'll be using this matte side. Friends, definitely I'm going to do a full review and lip swatches of this lipstick, and it is coming soon. Shade is so pretty. Like this makeup. So see you in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.